Hi, in the last video we talked about arithmetic mean. In this video we will look at few questions and we'll try to solve the questions and how we can approach these kind of questions, and we'll learn few tips and tricks to solve these type of questions. So we talked about mean in last video. It is the sum of the numbers divided by the total count of the numbers. So if we are required to find the average of these three, we add all of them and we'll divide by their number. When doing comparison questions, you are not required to actually find the mean and then compare, because you can compare it just by looking at the question as well. From this formula, you can see that the arithmetic mean depends on the sum of the numbers. When the sum is higher, and if we keep the count constant, which is 3 in this case, the column that has greater sum will have a greater mean. So the mean is directly proportional to the sum and inversely proportional to the count. And the sum will depend on the values of these three digits, three integers that were given. So let's dive deeper into this. So here we are given 12, 22 and 50. When comparing, we can see that we have one digit in common, which is number 22 here and number 22 here. What we can do is we can just remove this without even looking at it, because they are both the common factors. Now when we see 14 here and 12 here, there is a difference of 2. 2 is less in this case in the quantity B. Similarly, we have 48 here and 50 here. So if we add 2 here, we'll have 50. So just by looking at the question, you can make out that both the quantities are equal. Just to confirm, so that you are assured that this is the correct answer, we'll do the maths. This is column for column A, and 12 plus 22 plus 50 divided by 3. So this is 10, 6, 70, 80, 84, 50, 72, 82, 84. So both the values are the same. To find the mean of these two terms, we'll first add these two. 4y plus 22, and we'll divide by the count of the numbers, which is 2 in this case. Whenever there is a plus or minus sign here, we can just separate the terms, which is 4y divided by 2 plus 22 divided by 2. This equals to 2y plus 2, 1, 11. So this is the mean of the given numbers, which means that this answer is the correct answer.